Happy Monday. We just wrapped up honing the cylinders and we honed the lifter bores. So basically I just used a ball hone and I didn't have any diesel. I heard diesel worked good, but I used ATF, had some random ATF and dipped the ball hone in that. A couple passes in each cylinder. And you be the judge. Does it look okay? I don't know. I've never honed cylinders before, so it looks okay to me. They're all smooth. So anyway, I'm going to get this set up. This will kind of serve as some before shots of how the homemade or DIY engine block dip tank works. So basically this is just a barrel. Cut the top off of it about a foot. Drained the parts washer fluid in it. This is oil eater degreaser. It is water based, so what I'll do is drop the engine block in, then I'll fill it the rest of the way with water. So this stuff is concentrated and you can dilute it. And so I think that's maybe 6 or 7 gallons right there, maybe more. I'm not sure. I could be totally off. So I didn't measure it. So anyway, getting ready to set this up and I'll be right back. All right, so this is where we're at. I took the engine hoist and basically just tipped the engine block on its rear, and I've got this chain hooked up. I'm going to scoot the hoist around and pick up the block, and then we're going to drop it in here. Here we go. All right, let's see what we can do here. I don't know if this will clear or not. Let's give it a shot. So close, so close. Let's pinch the barrel. Looks tight. Here we go. Stuck on the other side a little bit. we have touchdown. So this is how it looks. That's about how much clearance you're going to have. Lots of clearance, actually. So I'm going to get this chain out of there, go grab the water hose, and fill this up. All right, so this is how it looks in the barrel. Lots of room. Probably could have cut it a little bit shorter, but I didn't want to have the solvent level right at the top when it's covered. So we should have about, I don't know, 3 inches or so clearance between the top of the block and the top of the barrel once it's full. So anyway, lots of room. So let's go grab the hose. Okay. We had just enough hose to reach. So here we go. I'm not going to make you watch this whole thing. So this is kind of a part one. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get notifications of new videos. There's also a bell. If you hit that bell, I think you get a quicker notification on new videos. Not sure how that works. So anyway, if you'd like to see the outcome of this, again, this is kind of a part one on the DIY engine block dip tank. I will be posting a follow-up video here in a couple of days, depending on how the family and work schedule goes. So this is going to stay in here and cook at least 2 days. And then once we get it out, I'm going to probably pressure wash it. I have to do some scrubbing here and there. So I may end up lifting it up, scrubbing some, dipping it back down in there. If I do that, I will film it probably in some shorts, short videos. So anyway, sorry to talk so long, but just getting this set up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.